Hi everyone, we meet again in this week's video with me Navin. As promised, we will do an in-depth review for the interior and the exterior of this new Honda Civic RS. And before we start, thank you to Banding Motor for giving us the opportunity to do an in-depth review on this new Honda Civic RS. The new Honda Civic price starts at 125,000 for the E variant, 138,000 for the V variant, while the RS variant goes for 145,000. Alright, there is 5 colors available for this new Civic, which is Luna Silver Metallic, Titanium White Pearl, Meteorite Grey Metallic, Crystal Black Pearl, and the Ignite Red Metallic. As we mentioned in our previous video, the new Honda Civic comes with this new 1.5-litre double overhead cam VTEC turbo engine. The power output is rated at 180 horsepower with 200 Nm of torque. Okay, the engine is now enhanced with this variable valve timing and lift electronic control, or known as VTEC. And the fuel consumption is rated at 6 litres per 100 km for the E and V spec, while for the RS variant is rated at 6.3 litres per 100 km. The drive is sent to the front wheel via CVT, which offers 7-speed virtual ratio. According to Honda, they have done some serious software calibration for better response, and the testing has been done in United States and United Kingdom. The exterior of the car are now more matured and straighter body lines, which for me, if you look at a certain angle, the car looks like a Continental car. For the first time, all Civic variants are now equipped with automatic LED headlights, complemented with the LED fog light with this sporty garnish. The famous solid wing face front bar are now gone, and it is now replaced by the slimmer grille. On the side, what differentiates Civic RS and the other variant is the blackened wing mirrors, door handle, gloss black window garnish, and not to forget the shark fin antenna. The Honda lane watch camera are also fitted as standard on the V and RS variant. The reason why the lane watch being used instead of blind spot monitor is because of our infrastructure condition and the fact that motorcycles are often used in our region, which lane watch camera captures easier. The RS variant also sits on the 18-inch wheel with double 5-spoke design, which finish in handsome matte black color with 235/40 R18 tire. As what we have here is shot with Michelin Pilot Sport 4. The rear side, on the other hand, feature the trapezoid-shaped taillight with L-shaped graphic inside. The RS variant comes standard with this boot spoiler, together with the chrome tailpipe finisher. The boot size stands at 497 litres, a bit down compared to 519 litres on the previous generation Civic. Nevertheless, the new Civic still offers the 60/40 split for the rear seat if you want more space. Now let's see what the inside have to offer. Seat design is new with combination of fabric and leather with red stitching. I do find the seat position is quite sporty in the new Civic. I'm 178 cm tall, and I do find the seat is quite comfortable too. The dashboard features a new retro futuristic design, which is complemented by this honeycomb mesh grille with this joystick for you to adjust the air direction. The meter cluster looks similar to the one on the CTRS with combination of 7-inch TFT screen and analog meter. And all the Honda sensing alarm and warning will be shown here. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather with red stitching, and it also comes with pedal shifter for the V variant and RS variant. And there is also a few buttons for you to control your volume up and down, for you to answer your calls, and also for you to control the cruise speed. The V and RS variant comes standard with this 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, while the E variant comes with 7-inch touchscreen instead. The aircon control knob is placed underneath the infotainment and now only available in single zone auto control. The rear passenger receive their own aircon vent as well. There is 2 cup holders for the front passenger. and with some storage space for your little belongings like your wallet, your phone, your house keys. And there is also 2 USB port and a 12-volt socket for your convenience. And there is also a drive mode selector with 3 different settings, namely normal, econ and sport. The center armrest is wrapped in leather and it feels comfortable to rest your arm on. The storage inside also is generous for you to hide some of your precious belongings too. Now let's jump to the back of the car. The seat is covered with the same material as the front seat. I have around 1 knuckle of leg room with the driver's seat set to my driving position, and I have ample space around my headroom, and back here I feel very comfortable and spacious. And there is also a center armrest for the rear passenger. The rear passenger receive their own aircon vent, which is great, but have to live without the temperature and blower controller. There is 2 USB sockets under the aircon vent for you to charge your device, so it is really convenient for the rear passenger. Some of the cars available on the market still offer the 12-volt socket instead. There you go, the in-depth review for the new Honda Civic in RS variant. Let us know in the comment if you have any thoughts about this new Civic. It comes with a lot of improvement inside and out. The engine is more powerful, the cabin comes in a premium package, and the most important is every Civic variant comes with standard with the Honda sensing. And as always, if you like to get a new Honda and want to test drive this new Honda Civic, you can contact me at this number below. And please stay tuned for our next test drive video. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification button as well. I'm Navin signing off for this week's video. We are the Honda guys. We are all about Hondas. See you again. Bye bye.